Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Mangalam. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Delta Ask hiring process. Okay, so we will cover like what is the exact pattern, how to prepare for Delta Ask, and what is the exact cutoff, and how to clear Delta Ask online assessment. Okay, so first of all, if you want to connect with me, so you can connect me through LinkedIn. Also, if you want to share your experience or any kind of query like hiring related or exam discussion, if you want to discuss about any company like Infosys, KPMG, Cognizant, any company, whatever you are giving the exams, interview, you can join this group and you can every students can discuss over here. Okay, so basically, as you can see, some students are getting call from the Cognizant, some students getting call from the Capgemini, right? So if you are getting calls or interview process, then you can definitely join this Telegram group where you can discuss exactly what type of questions will be asked and what type of interview questions will be there, right? So basically students can get the exact questions. Okay, so I think you all can help each other. Okay, so the Telegram group, all links will be present in the description only. Okay, you can join the WhatsApp channel also where you can find out the regular hiring posting. Okay, and you can share your experience. If you want to share your interview experience, then you can share with me on this email ID. Now we are going to discuss about exact pattern. So first round, now if we talk about the hiring process, so first round would be online assessment. Okay, so online assessment, the first section would be technical MCQ. Okay, so technical MCQ consists like programming question, DSA question, operating system, OOPS question, networking, total CS fundamentals. Guys, total CS fundamentals questions will be there in technical MCQ. So if you want to prepare for technical MCQ, then what you have to prepare? You have to prepare any programming language, whatever Java, C, C++, Python, you can prepare. You can prepare DSA theoretical question, especially because in the DSA, shorting, searching, some questions will be there, and notation, big O notations, right? Like, and time complexity also will be there. Mostly ask a question from DSA, from the time complexity and searching and sorting in the MCQ. If you check in the other previous test also of the Delta Act, then you can find definitely. Okay, so you can prepare for DSA, operating system also some MCQ, OPS concept or MCQ, and networking and microprocessors, other section, all CS fundamentals you have to prepare for technical MCQ. Now we will talk about the duration and total number of questions. Total number of questions will be 50 number of questions. Okay, so total 50 questions will be there in technical MCQ, and time duration 50 to 45 minutes. So guys, basically there will be 50 questions at 45 minutes. In 45 minutes you have to solve all the questions. So this is very tricky and bit difficult also, this section, because the cutoff will be very high. Okay, so 80%, mostly 80% cutoff will be there. Okay, so you have to prepare well for this exam pattern. 80% cutoff will be there. If you are not clearing this round, then you are not eligible to next round, that is coding round. Okay, so next round would be coding round, and in the coding round, how many questions? Question will be five. Total five questions would be there, and total time duration to solve the coding question, that is 2.5 hours. Okay, so total five questions you can see, and total 22.5 hours you have to solve the questions. Okay, so topics, what topics you can prepare for coding, like linked list, DP, shorting, graph, and binary search, and from the hacker rank also, lead code, medium level questions, easy level questions, you can prepare for the coding assessment. And for coding assessment also, cutoff will be very high. So what is the cutoff? Basically, if you are able to solve maximum four questions, then you are eligible to next round, that is all, there's technical interview. Okay, that is technical interview. So basically four questions you have to solve. Okay, and all test cases must be passed. Okay, all test cases must pass for the coding round. Okay, so basically if you are solving three questions also, there will be 80% chances for the next round. If you are solving four questions with all the test cases, then definitely 99 or 100% chances for next round, that is technical interview. Okay, so basically this is the exact online assessment pattern. There will be two rounds. First, technical MCQ, and second would be coding round. So pure technical on an assessment will be there in Delta Ask. Delta X. If you want to prepare, then you can strong your technical ability for Delta X. So in the next video, we are going to discuss about interview experience or interview questions of Delta X. So we will cover all the things. Okay. So in this video, I have discussed about exam pattern or hiring process. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.